Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set your account to private on the 433 football application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Tap on the menu button down below and then click on the profile button. After that, tap on privacy options, which is the second section. And here you can find two options: private, meaning that with a private account, only your friends can message you, share content and mention you in the comments. So tap on it if you want to set your profile to private. However, you can also set it to public, so anyone can message you and share content and mention you in the comments. After selecting the relevant option, tap on the Save Changes button down below to update your profile's privacy options. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.